Had to brush the teeth real quick, feeling fresh. Absolutely gorgeous day out here right now in South Carolina. Yeah, I'm just waiting for 3 o'clock so I can go pick up my rental car. I gotta go to the airport and I got a rental car for like 2 days, so hopefully I can get that or whatnot. But yeah, just enjoying life right now. Beautiful out. And yeah, I need a shower. I'm probably gonna hit the gym tonight too. So just, it feels good to have, what, 9 days off. So I'm definitely shot. You know, trucking's pretty tough, but it'll all pay off in the long run. You got this guy scaling right now. Look at him. All right, just getting to the rental car. I'm actually stoked. I don't even care how much like gas this uses up, even though it's gonna be a hell of a gas because it's a Hemi. But dude, I literally got a Dodge Charger, guys. Charger RT. This thing is sick, dude. Let's do a pull. Holy shit, dude. All right, guys, officially back home. I apologize if I look greasy right now and just whatever. I just traveled literally from South Carolina. I made it back to Connecticut. It was like a, what, maybe 13, 14-hour drive. I took a 2-hour break in Jersey, and I made it home this morning. But I am shot right now. But I don't want to go back to sleep because I have some things I need to catch up on. I planted my veggies before I left. Literally maintenance-free, guys. It rained, so they're moist right now and stuff, which is great. So I got those starting. These are yellow squash. That's green bean. That's a green bean plant. And then I have some cucumbers growing too. So I'm super happy with that. Definitely looking to start my own or grow more vegetables at home so I don't have to spend money at the grocery stores. And this is a healthier alternative as well. I'll be getting more into like things with growing vegetables and stuff later on in life, but planning on buying a piece of property, piece of land once I stack up some more cash. So that's going to be super cool. Have my little farmland on there and just whatever other adventures come for that. So definitely stay tuned for that. We got Gracie and Will. Hi, guys. I haven't seen these guys in a while. My dad basically adopted these little dogs. Hi, Gracie.
Hey, little lovers. Did you miss me? I haven't seen these guys in like 3 weeks.
So I'll get back to you. I need to eat and I'm gonna shower real quick. That's a 10 out of 10. Bam! And we are all cleaned up. Brush my teeth. I didn't shave because if I go outside and sweat it, I'll get a rash under my neck. Cleaned up. I feel great. It is 2 o'clock right now. I have until 5 to bring this thing back. Probably 4:30 roughly because I want to be there a half hour early. So that gives me 2.5 hours to bang out a video. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Be sure you guys like this video. And I got to tell you, for the first time driving a V8, the Dodge Charger RT is a beast. Hemi, 5.7 liter, 370 horsepower. It's super fun to drive, and it's definitely way quicker than my Honda. So stay tuned. Let's get into it. I'll see you guys when we get out there. So I'm grateful that I was able to rent a 2020 Dodge Charger RT. Let me tell you right now, guys, this thing is an absolute beast, and it's a blast to drive. I'm not saying that. This is not a paid promotion. I'm not a Dodge fanboy at heart. I'm a Honda guy. You guys know that. I'm not going to do a full review on this car. I'm just giving my opinion, and I really wanted to make this video because I have literally, you know, had a blast in this thing so far. So for starters, my favorite thing on this vehicle is, I would say it's a tie between the rear and the front, guys. I apologize for all the traffic. Front, super aggressive design. I love the hood scoop. It has the vents in there to dissipate heat and help with airflow to the intake system. You have the mesh grille that looks really clean as well, and the sleek projector headlights. Everything flows perfectly, guys. They did a really good job. Dodge did a really good job with this car, with this Charger chassis. Stylish stock wheels, powered by a Hemi. Wham! Look at all that space, guys. This literally comes off and you have access to pretty much your four coil packs on one side and the other 4 on the other side. Pretty simple design. Intake changes out pretty easy. If I own this vehicle, I would literally put a K&N intake. I would probably do an exhaust and maybe it's slight tune, and that's really all you need, guys. This thing makes 370 horsepower already. Back to the rear where we started. I love the spoiler, how it's integrated onto the trunk. I like the dual exhaust, and it's a full functional dual exhaust. My cousin even looked at it earlier. But my favorite out of the 3, the spoiler, the exhaust tips, and the taillights would be the whole taillight assembly, guys. In the nighttime, this whole assembly lights up red. And all right, let's hop in, push to start. Look at that. Gauges are really like sporty looking, they're red. And this is my first time ever driving a V8, and I'm glad that I chose to just choose this, honestly, because they were like, oh, we don't have any Camrys, we have 2 Chargers. And I'm like, yep, I'll take that. So I literally drove this car from South Carolina to Connecticut and had miles per gallon. Like, I don't even care how much fuel I wasted, and it really wasn't that much either. I like the steering wheel, it's very comfortable. The seats are very comfortable. There's a lot of adjustments on here, but ultimately my favorite things in the interior, I like the dash, and I haven't used the paddle shifters, but I love the shift knob sport basically button. I'll show you how to do it real quick. I'm not gonna perform, but put the knob, so you put the knob all the way to drive, slide it over, and then you're in like manual sport shift. All right, enough talking. Let's get on with the performance. Got the backup camera. I can't forget how aggressive that exhaust is, guys. Stock. This thing is stock, and it sounds like it has work done to it. I could get used to this car, though. I'm being for real. Like, this thing is just as much fun, if not more fun, than my Honda is. And it feels good to have a lot of power all the time. Where we got time to go? Careful with these cars, you could get into some serious trouble with them. I'm literally on these little back roads. I want to do a 0 to 60 for you guys real quick. Yo. My favorite feature on this is the manual shifts. I guess you call it paddle shifts, but when it like between shifts, it's like I'll do it again for you guys. Definitely be sure you guys like this video. Drop your comments down below. I know how the V8 world feels now. It's great, honestly. Like, I would rock one of these. It's just MSRP is ridiculous. And be sure to subscribe, guys, if you like the video. Stay tuned for more Honda content, car stuff, truck stuff. See you soon. Peace out. That's it, I'm done for today, guys. Dude, my adrenaline is pumping right now.